All right, and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer. If you're brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, I'd like to discuss how you can squeeze out just a few more YouTube views for your YouTube channel. Now, if you're just starting out like I am, you want to amass as many views as you possibly can to share your knowledge with the masses. So every single view, every single viewer counts when you're building your entity, your brand online. So I'm going to walk you through a process that isn't glamorous by any stretch of the imagination, but if you want to get your videos in front of just a few more people and squeeze out just a few more views, stick along with me. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's say, for instance, you're going to go ahead and upload a video. This is where it begins, okay? So you're going to upload your video. Now, to generate and to gather just a few more views, you will need to go ahead and upload your video. So I have a lot of videos because I love making videos. I like to teach. So in any case, so you're uploading your video, but here is where the process starts. So if you have not already, take a look at your analytics to decide what other countries are partaking in your content. So to do this, what you will do is head over here to the right-hand side of your screen. Actually, even better, it's right here. There's a button. Go to YouTube Studio. You will want to click on YouTube Studio. Once you open up your YouTube Studio dashboard, to the left-hand side now, there is a button, the third one down, called Analytics. Now, once you're under Analytics, go ahead and click on Audience. And once you scroll down to your right-hand side, there is a place to the right that says Top Countries. So, top countries: India, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and Spain. That is for me, and this will change from here, from time to time. So, as you can see, my second most viewed country is India. So, the next part, I will go ahead and show you what you need to do. So, if you click on this button that says Translations. Now, before you go and click on this button that says Translations, if you have not taken a deep dive inside of your analytics, I urge you to go in and study your analytics. So, in order to squeeze out just a few more views, after you fill out your description, let's go over here. After you fill out your description, right, let's say this is your description and this is your title, you will want to go to your translations. Whatever your second and your third most views are coming from as far as countries and other languages, my advice and what I have found that will give you just a few more views, which if you're just starting out and you want to be seen to share your knowledge, then what I would do is head over to Google, and let's say that your second country that views your content is in Spanish. Now, I know a little bit of Spanish, but I don't know it all. So you want to go English to Spanish, okay? And you want to open up 2 tabs because it will save you time. So let's say English to Spanish. Okay? So you'll want to set your language, add new language. So we'll say Spanish just to make for this video. Add language. You'll want to take your title, copy, put it into here. It'll translate to Spanish. You'll want to take your description, copy, go to the second one, and translate it to Spanish. You'll want to then copy the Spanish, put it in the description, copy the Spanish, and put it into the title. Now, I would do these for your first and second, whoever's viewing your content, because just because their number one main language is Spanish or whatever the case may be, does not mean that they do not know or understand English, in my case, which is English, or whatever the language may be. So to squeeze out and to get just a few more views and to get your information in front of even just one more person to share your thoughts and your ideas with, it's one more person. So I hope that you have found value in this. I hope that this has helped you. And if it has, please tell me about it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next YouTube and SEO video. Have a wonderful day.